Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a done-for-you system that makes $200 a day with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So what I'll do in this video is I will show you the 3 simple steps that you will do so you can start getting up to $200 a day with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. Now for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paolo Beringel and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So if you want to get this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. So before we begin, before I show you the steps, let me go ahead and show you some of my personal results. So you can see that I'm not a complete beginner. This affiliate marketing campaign, I've been in affiliate marketing since 2013. And today I'm here to coach you and guide you. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end because I will show you how you can get me to promote your link. So you can see on this particular account right here, the gross volume total paid commission just on this one affiliate account is 625,000 Australian dollars, which is pretty awesome. And I have multiple accounts, which I also showed in my previous video, so you can check them out. But the reason why I'm showing this to you is because I want to prove to you that I already have the results, and today you have the opportunity to work with me and I will show you the simple steps that you will do so you can start getting this particular campaign that will help you make up to $200 a day. So steps are simple. Step number 1 is to activate your system. Step number 2 is to promote your link. I will show you how to promote your link. Step number 3 is once the campaign is live, you will get your $200 commissions again and again. So step number 1 is to activate the system. So to activate the system, everybody starts on this page right here. So I will put the link in the comment section so you can check out this website. And then when you go to this website, all you need to do, simple website, all you need to do on this website if you want to earn the instant $200 commissions is basically just put your email address in this box and then you click on yes, show me how. Now what will happen is it will take you to the thank you page. You will see it here, and then when you go to this thank you page, you just need to click this button, okay, and then click here to get to the next step. You will also receive an email from me so you can always watch this training video at your own time, okay. So when you click on this button, what will happen is it will take you to this page, and then on this page, this is where you will meet the creator of the system that we are using. So there's a video here from the guy who created the system. His name is Mac. He is my sponsor as well. So this is the guy. You can scroll down, check out the testimonials, and then basically after watching this video, the next step that you need to do, really straightforward, is you click this button that says join daily income method now. Okay, so there's a one-time payment of $297, which is the capital, like initial capital that is required for you to get started with this particular affiliate marketing business. So once you click on this button, it will take you to the next page. You just need to follow the steps. So this is the checkout page. You will see that you are referred by Paolo Beringel. If you use my link in the comment section, then you should be able to see my name, that I am your sponsor. So now what will happen is there are a couple of steps that you need to do on this page. Step number 1 is you need to pay the affiliate, which is one-time payment of $200. And then step number 2 is you need to pay the one-time setup fee or the admin fee of $97. So the total is a one-time payment of $297. All right. So you just need to enter your name and then your email address and then create your account. Once you complete the part where you need to complete the payment, okay, you can make a payment using PayPal or using any other payment methods that I specified on the next page, and then you made the payment of the $97 admin fee. What will happen? You are now able to log in into your dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard right here. So you can see it says daily income method, and then it says welcome back. So that's going to be your name. In the dashboard, in the welcome page, this is the welcome video from the creator of the system, right? There's a video here from Mac. It's really straightforward. Even if you are a complete beginner and even if you're not a technical person, each of these steps right here, there's always a video tutorial that will guide you and tell you the steps that you need to do. Okay, so you don't need to rely on your sponsor, you don't need to rely on anyone. It's basically just you and the creator of the system, Mac, because he has these training videos. So now what will happen is after you watch this welcome video, it says here, start setting up your system. And then on the right side, this is where you will be able to see your total earnings. Because as you sign up with the daily income method, okay, you automatically become an affiliate as well. So what will happen is you click on start setting up your system. When you click that, it will open up to this next page, which is the system setup. So this is the important part because in the system setup, again, there's a welcome video here. You select your username, you update your profile. The most important step that you need to do is this part which says the add payment links. The reason is because once you start promoting your link, people will join and you want to get paid. Okay, that's the most important part. You want to get paid your instant $200 commissions. And again, there's a video tutorial here from Mac. And then when you scroll down, these are the payment options that you can set up. So it's entirely up to you depending on which payment method do you want to use. Okay, so you can use Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, Crypto, and any other payment method. So what you do is, let's say you want to use PayPal, you select PayPal and then you put your PayPal email address there and then you click on Save Payment Method. Once you have completed this setup, you click on Save and Continue. Really straightforward. Click on Save and Continue, and then it will take you to this part where it says Lead Capture Page. So basically what you do here is this lead capture page. It's completely optional, by the way. So you don't have to do this, but I would recommend that you do this because if you do this, you are building your asset, which is your email list. And this is the part where you will also promote your link. Okay, so there's a video here and then you can set up your account. You just follow the step. Okay, once you completed that part, if you want to access your affiliate links, you can do that here. You click on your affiliate links and you will see that as an affiliate, they have supplied all these affiliate links. So there's a video tutorial here again. All right, so these are the affiliate links if you want to go straight and promote your link. Now, basically what will happen if you set up your lead capture page, which I recommend, essentially what will happen is you will get a copy of this exact page right here. So this is one of the pages that they supplied for all the affiliates. So now what you need to do is, as an affiliate, your main goal, your main focus is to send people to this page so that when people go to this page, they click this button and they enter their email address. Okay, they click that button, they enter their email address, and whenever they submit their email address, here you go, whenever they submit their email address here, and then they go to the next page, which is the sales page right here. This is going to be your affiliate link now. Okay, so whenever people purchase, then that's how you make the instant $200 commission. Okay, really straightforward. So step number 2 is, again, once you completed step number 1, which is to activate the system, step number 2 is to promote your link. Okay, because again, this is a business, so you need to do some kind of promotion. So now the most common question that people ask is, if you are a complete beginner with no social media followers, no email subscribers, how do you actually promote this page and how do you promote your link? Okay, if you don't want to, there is a way where you can promote your link and there is no need for you to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone. The easiest way that you can do this to promote your link is you go to this website called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So I will put the link in the comment section so you can go to this website. When you go to this website, it's like ordering pizza online. So basically what you do, you select the traffic package that you want to purchase. So if you want to promote your link on Meta, Facebook, Google, or YouTube, you just select the traffic package that you want to purchase. So the smallest package is $200. If you want to be more aggressive, you can go for the $300, $500, the $1,000, or the highest package that we offer is the 1,000 buyers traffic campaign for a one-time payment of $2,000. So it's entirely up to you, depending on your budget and depending on how much money do you want to make. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 1,000 buyers traffic campaign on Meta. So it's a one-time payment of $200. Okay, so what you do is you click on that 1,000 buyers traffic campaign. So that means you will get 1,000 people to go to your lead capture page. All right, so it's a one-time payment of $2,000. Instead of paying $5,000, you're only paying $2,000 one-time payment. So you click on add to cart, complete the payment. Once you complete the payment, you will get an email from me, or you can also message me on my Facebook page. The link will be in the comment section, so you can go to my Facebook page and then give me your link. So basically what I need you to do, once you complete the payment for the traffic package, I need you to give me your link. All right? So that's it. Promote your link. And then step number 3 is to get your $200 commission. So exactly what will happen is that once you have given me your link, I already have an existing campaign on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. So what will happen is, let's say, for example, that you purchase this 1,000 buyers traffic campaign. So what it means is that 1,000 people will go to this page. This is your affiliate link. This is your lead capture page. 1,000 people who are interested to make money online will go to this page. They click this button. They put their email address and click on watch our video to learn how. They go to the video sales page. So again, you don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone. You don't need to know who these people are, because the traffic agency is doing the advertising on your behalf. They go to this page. You don't need to explain things to anyone, because this video from the creator of the system will do all the selling and all the telling. And then whenever people click on join daily income method now and they complete the purchase, okay, whenever they made the purchase of the $200, that is how you will make the commission. So if you go to your members area and then you go here on this part where it says commissions on the left, this is where you will be able to see all the commissions that are coming in. So you can see it here. Whenever you get, whenever people join through your affiliate link and they paid the $200, you will get this $200 notification that someone made the purchase, okay? And then basically, that's how you can see all your commissions, which is pretty awesome. And again, once the campaign is live, you don't need to do any more work, because the traffic agency will do the work on your behalf and the system will do all the selling and telling. You just simply relax and get your commissions, $200 commissions over and over. And you just need to let the campaign go and get people to sign up. Whenever they sign up and they purchase, that's how you get the $200 in commission. And that's the exact blueprint, and that's exactly how I made that $625,000 in one of the affiliate programs that I was promoting, because I'm using a done-for-you system as well. And today you have the opportunity to get started with this system for as low as $297, and then you purchase the traffic package as well, depending on your budget. So I hope that you like this video, guys, and I hope that I was able to give you some information on how you can get started with affiliate marketing. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a like or a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Otherwise, you can check out the daily income method system. The links will be in the comment section so you can check it out. I look forward to connecting with you in the Facebook group, and I look forward to seeing your results when you start getting all these commissions. Again, all the links are in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.